Good morning. So my last short for the morning is going to be on this false teaching of Yahushua is Yahuwah. The people that are proliferating this do not have they do not understand spiritual language. And they're using their minds to try to have discernment of what needs to come from a different perspective, a relationship of the heart and the mind being bound as one with wisdom, with understanding, and with knowledge. And what's between the knowledge and the wisdom, but it's called the child, it's the connector, it's the bridge between them. That is understanding. That is actually in Hebrew, bina, or binya. And it's four letters, bith, yud, nun, and he. Now, if we break those letters apart and we rearrange them, we see something very interesting. It says ban and yah, a son and yah. Well, a son is us, Yisrael, and yah is what we call father. And this is always the sacred relationship. The sacred relationship is of two. And I would say that in the Star Wars universe, what they actually did was they flipped around, because this is what Babylon does. They flipped around and they made the story the inverse. Okay? They made the evil the two, right? It's the Sith. Those are the evil guys. And they made the Republic the good guys. But in reality, there's a lot less good guys than there are bad guys. And so this is an inversion. It's an inversion of a father and a son, the highest spiritual order of a father and a son, and it's distorted. And so people are blind and they're entertained, but they ultimately miss the real truth. That a father and a son is reflected in the Hebrew word, Evan or Avon, Elaf Beith Nun. The Beith, when it's in the first seat, sounds like a hard B. That's called a boundary. When it's in the second seat, it's a soft V, okay? Because there's structure and order in the sacred tongue. So, Beith Nun is son. That's the second letters. Elaf Beith Av is the first letter, the first two letters that make the first word, and together they share a common Beith. So it's a father and a son sharing a house. That is a son. That is the sacred, highest sacred relationship in the order of heaven and earth. But it's distorted. It's distorted. A father and a son is a rock. A father and a son sharing one house is a rock.